I might as well come on and do dinners and show you to make easy, quick meals that you don't have to go out to the restaurant and get. Just make it on your own. Make it at home. All right?
I am Chef Darlene B of ChefDarleneB.com, and I am a cooking instructor. Today we have chicken fajitas. So let's pour in the oil. So I have olive oil. So I did about 2 tablespoons of olive oil, and I'm gonna make sure that that is spread throughout the pan. So we're gonna start out with our chicken, okay? We're gonna season our chicken. Now, the best way to do it is to marinate it overnight, season it, and put it in the fridge overnight. That's where you get like the most flavor. But if you do things a little last minute, you can definitely do it right now. We're gonna marinate our chicken, or season our chicken, all right? So I have some cumin and I have some chili powder in here, okay? So cumin and chili powder. We want quite a bit of cumin and chili powder.
Say hello to Pam and Nicole.
Hey Pam, hi Nicole, how you guys doing? All right, and then we're gonna put in our garlic powder and our onion powder, okay? Our garlic, our cilantro. I'm gonna put in a little bit of cilantro, a touch of lime. All right, got the lime in there, and then what we have left of our olive oil, I'm gonna put in here. We cannot our salt and our pepper. So we have some salt and pepper. We're going to make sure that we mix it up nice and good. So we wanna make sure that we do not overcrowd the pan, all right? You hear the sizzle? All right. So also, you can make it with anything that you wanna make it with. You can make it with steak, shrimp, put your favorite vegetables in, use the same seasonings that I did, and then you want to saute them. Some people may use a whole chicken breast and then they'll grill the whole chicken breast and slice it up. I like to get flavor and seasoning in like every single crevice that I possibly can. That's why I slice it. Let me show you guys. Can you see it? And we want to make sure that the slices are fully cooked. I can smell the garlic. I can smell the cilantro. The last thing to like add another punch of flavor is I put in some Worcestershire sauce.
Actually, both were thinking about making fajitas.
Oh, okay. Worcestershire sauce, okay? We want to make sure that every single piece of chicken is fully cooked. What's your favorite Mexican food? Let me know. We're gonna put our chicken on the plate. We don't want to lose any of the flavor that we have in the pan. Since we already seasoned the chicken and all the seasoning has coated the pan because we cooked the chicken in it, we're gonna now add our vegetables and put it in there as well. So I have red, yellow, and green peppers, okay? And I'm gonna put that in the pan. And I also have sliced jalapeno peppers and sliced onions. We're gonna put that in the pan as well. All right? We wanna mix those around a little bit. I'm making sure that I'm getting all the flavor. Then I'm gonna add a touch of water. Now you can add water and you can use chicken broth as well. So I'm gonna put that in. And we wanna steam. We wanna steam the veggies. I'm also going to add another little bit of salt. And then we're gonna add pepper. And those are cooking lovely. You want those to cook down. Now you don't want them to get too soft, but you want it soft enough, you know, that you're not hearing a crunch all the way. All right, let me show you, okay? We're gonna cook it down a little bit longer. What's your favorite accompaniment with your fajitas? Is it guacamole? Is it sour cream? Is it pico de gallo? What do you like with your fajitas?
Where'd you get the salt and pepper? Expensive.
All right, so I actually got this on Amazon, and you can go to my website. I have under resources, I have the exact same salt and pepper shaker under my resources, and you can purchase it from there as well. Okay? I'm gonna add a little more water. Ooh, it is hot like fire.
Sour cream.
Sour
cream.
All right, sour cream. I like sour cream too. Probably guacamole is my favorite. These peppers and onions are done. Let me show you. All right, here they are. I'm gonna put another pan on there. So we have, so far, our little platter of chicken fajitas, okay? And we have this heating up. And this is, I don't know about you guys, but I don't like my fajitas not warmed up. So you can either warm it up in the microwave, or I literally just put my tortilla down on the fire. But you don't have to do it that way. You can put it in a pan, in a hot pan, and warm it up. I'm telling you, you have to start doing it.
Yes.
That's what I'm saying, right? We have the first one warmed up. We're gonna put that down there. I'm gonna put one together. I have some avocado that is ripe. So you slice the avocado inside, okay? Inside, slice it. And then, so we're gonna use this to get it out, right? Then it comes out just like that in slices. And let's assemble it. Let's get it together. Sharing is caring, so please share this video.
How do you know if the avocado is right?
Okay, so when you go to the grocery store, if you pick up, sometimes they're green, sometimes they're brown, but most times I find if it's a brown avocado, we're talking about the Haas avocados, when you squeeze it, it'll give, rather than it being hard and it's like, oh, I can't even press down on it. So you'll be able to press down. All right, so we're gonna put in our peppers and our onions. We need some avocados in here. And last but not least, I'm gonna put some pico de gallo, okay? So we're gonna put some pico in it. And then I will show you the final. And this is our final fajita, okay? Make sure you make those fajitas, all right? And if you have any questions, you can go to info@chefdarleneb.com and you can email me whatever questions you have. Guys, thank you for coming, and I'll see you next Saturday. We'll do it at 5 again, okay? Dinner with Darlene, live at 5. All right, see you guys.